Welcome to Elaine Sterling, esthetician. Welcome to Esthetician Unlocked with Elaine Sterling. I'm really excited about what I'm going to talk about today. This is real sci-fi skincare. This is next level. This is the microbiome revolution. Okay, by Elaine Sterling. I'm Elaine Sterling. I'm a licensed esthetician instructor. I own Elaine Sterling Skincare, the Elaine Sterling Institute. I am an author of a best-selling book called Beauty Beyond the Mirror. I am Sedesco and iTech. So I got some street cred. Okay, so we're going to talk about the microbiome. And why I'm excited about this is because this is so new, you all. This is like the next level, and we haven't even skimmed the surface of what is happening, right? We're discovering the cutting edge realm of sci-fi skincare. And I'm not going to be able to tell you everything today. There may be part 2 and 3, so don't get upset. We're going to get through this, and we're going to get through this together. Okay, and welcome to my second podcast. I'm so excited to bring you the latest and greatest and really break it down, right? Because you are now in the Elaine. Yes, you are. So this is the transformative world of the skin's microbiome. Let's explore the latest breakthrough in prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics that are poised to redefine skin health and beauty in the years to come. And there's now so much out there. Everybody's jumping on the bandwagon. So I just thought I would break it down for you and make it a little easier. Microbiome defined. So the skin microbiome is a unique ecosystem of trillions of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms that reside on the surface of the skin. It's kind of like a balancing act. Maintaining a healthy, balanced microbiome is crucial for the skin's hemostasis and supporting the skin's natural defenses and preventing various skin conditions. But unfortunately, there is microbiome disruption. Factors like stress, diet, and certain skincare products that can disrupt the delicate balance of the skin's microbiome, leading to skin problems and skin irritation. So you know how there's like the 7 layers of the skin?
No.
I'll break it down for you. We've got the stratum corneum. We've got the stratum lucidum, which is like the light layer. The grainy layer, which is the granulosum. The stratum spinosum, which is like the spiny layer. And then the basal layer. And then the hypodermis. But on top of all of that, it's not an 8th layer, but it's on top of your stratum corneum is bacteria, fungus, viruses, and other microorganisms. Ew! But the thing is that we know that our gut has to have all of these microorganisms to fight off and ward off bad bacteria and keep us healthy. Well, there is a huge gut-skin connection, and we're about to take a deep dive. What are your disruptors of your skin microbiome? Well, you know what? Over-exfoliation, over-cleansing your skin seems to be a big problem. Harsh BHAs, AHAs, too much of too much. Again, getting back to, remember my last part I just did was about the cycling, right? And less is more. So the skin microbiome is a delicate ecosystem with trillions of microorganisms that reside on the surface of the skin and can be easily disrupted by a lot of factors. A high level of stress. Who doesn't have stress?
How do you know? How do you know?
Like everybody has stress today because we live in a very stressful environment. But they've actually seen that this imbalance of your microbiome is really contributing to acne, eczema, and inflammation. Antibiotics, we are dishing those out like candy. And while necessary in certain medical situations, antibiotics can wipe out beneficial bacteria and disrupt the natural balance of the skin microbiome. This can leave the skin vulnerable to overgrowth and harmful microbes, because the stomach microbiome needs to let some things in, needs to let everything in, and then it can fight it off. The skin has a barrier to stop and fight off anything that isn't supposed to penetrate the skin. So we need to feed the microbiome, right? We need to boost the microbiome, and feeding it with prebiotics is essential. And what are prebiotics? They are plant fibers as they act as food. So imagine those little bugs are eating the prebiotics, yum, 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 right, to get healthy. They are helping to nourish and maintain the delicate balance. And they also support. By supporting the microbiome, prebiotics can improve the skin's barrier function. Very important, because our skin is slightly waterproof. It's meant to keep things out. Always said it was meant to take things in. We drown in the bath. We don't drown in the bath. Why? Because our skin is slightly waterproof. That's it. Okay, so we want to reduce inflammation and produce a healthy, glowing complexion. So what are some of the prebiotic rich foods? Garlic, onion, bananas, whole grains. They provide a natural way to support the skin's microbiome. How many strains of bacteria are on the skin? The human skin is home to an incredibly diverse microbiome containing trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Estimates suggest the skin may host upward of 1,000 different bacterial species and strains. So the vast community plays a crucial role in maintaining skin health, supporting the skin's natural defenses and preventing the overgrowth of harmful pathogens. So it's the same in the gut, right? We want healthy bacteria, right? And so we need to understand the delicate balance of this microbiome, and it's at the forefront of modern dermatology and skincare research right now. They still don't understand all of it. They're still learning, and it's growing field, and we're really excited to be part of this new way. Probiotics. Probiotics are live, right? They are beneficial microorganisms that can be topically applied or ingested to help restore and maintain a healthy skin microbiome. So it's important to choose the right ones for your individual skin type and skin concern. Probiotics can reduce inflammation, improve skin barrier function, and even help combat common skin concerns like acne, eczema, and rosacea. There's a lot of talk about the microbiome and acne, but specifically eczema as well. They're really changing their thought from those P. acnes to the C. acnes, which I am still doing a deep dive into, and I'm really excited about the new research. So we're on the right path. We're on the right path. For optimal results, probiotics should be used in conjunction with prebiotics to nourish and support the skin's microbiome. So we're working synergistically with our probiotics, right, and our prebiotics. That's really important. It's the future of skincare. Future. Jury's out for me. Not going to say yay, not going to say nay, because my microbiome can be different today than it is tomorrow. Hug the dog, go sweating, have a cold, sick, didn't cleanse my face. My skin microbiome is going to be changing. So I'm not sure how accurate those test strips are. But again, I'm still learning, and it may be something that can be used. But I would say that testing the microbiome regularly to see what's going on would probably be more important. New and advanced pre, pro, and postbiotic ingredients will continue to emerge, revolutionizing the skincare industry. I was around where the big game changer was alpha hydroxy acids. Glycolic, when I was younger, was the game changer. And did we put glycolic in everything? The cleanser, the toner, the moisturizer, everything had it in there. So we're really evolving and talking about this pulse effect and really supporting the skin, supporting the microbiome, and not disrupting it. So back in the day, I used to say, that we don't want to strip the skin. that we really want to take care of we don't want to cause transepidermal water loss, and we really want to mimic with our products the natural moisturizing factor. But I didn't realize what I was actually saying is balance the microbiome, right? Which I'm now saying, wow, I've been saying this all the time, but I didn't know why I was saying it. So that's pretty cool. So probiotics are the byproducts and metabolites produced by probiotics, which can offer additional benefits to the skin. Skin barrier support. Postbiotics can help strengthen the skin's barrier, improve the ability to retain moisture, and protect against environmental stresses. So we want to make sure that we're locking in our moisturizer, that we're locking in our active ingredients, but that we are not allowing the bad guys in, right? That's important. Also anti-inflammatory. Dr. Perricone said their first indication of disease is inflammation. And you can tell by most skin diseases and disorders, there generally is an inflammatory response because their microbiome has been disrupted. The role of the pH. So we know that the pH of the skin is about 5.5, right? And then and the water that is 7 on your pH scale is neutral. So anything over 5.5 is more of an oily skin, and anything below a 5 to a 4.5 to a 4 is a drier skin. So we know that on the pH scale, right? And it's important not to disrupt this pH because the skin is then going to have to fight its way back to its normal pH. That's why we say that our products are pH balanced. So disruptions in the skin pH can lead to microbial imbalances and compromise skin barrier. So we want to look at some microbiome-friendly skincare ingredients. To support a healthy microbiome, look for natural, non-disruptive ingredients like prebiotics, probiotics, and postbiotics. These work in harmony to nourish the balance and delicate microbial ecosystem on the skin's surface. Other beneficial ingredients include soothing botanicals, antioxidants, gentle cleansers that maintain the skin's optimal pH level and protect the microbiome. So we're in groundbreaking research here, right? Recent scientific studies are uncovering fascinating insights into the complex ecosystem of microbes that reside and support our skin. Researchers are analyzing the diversity. It is very diverse, right? Living harmoniously together, functioning together, and having really specific bacterial strains interact with our skin cells and our immune system. It's about boosting that immune system and balancing that microbiome. The research is only shedding light now on common skin conditions like acne and eczema, but is also paving the way for a new generation of microbiome-targeted skincare products and treatments. By understanding the delicate balance of our skin's microbiome communities, we can develop innovative solutions to support skin health and beauty. So, some skin microbiome facts, some fun facts. Xylophone, ding, 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 ding. Love my fun facts. The average human skin hosts over 1 trillion microbes, comprising of thousands of unique bacterial, fungal, and viral species. A healthy skin microbiome acts as the first line of defense against environmental threats and harmful pathogens. Disruptions to the skin microbiome can contribute to a wide range of skin conditions, including acne, eczema, and psoriasis. It's unbelievable. Certain probiotic bacteria can be shown to reduce inflammation and strengthen the skin's protective barrier. Maintaining a diverse, balanced skin microbiome is essential for radiant, youthful skin. So, the microbiome skin connection. So we know now that a balanced microbiome is important to maintaining a healthy, glowing, beautiful skin, right? And to prevent those skin concerns. The skin microbiome plays a crucial role in the body's immune response, helping to ward off harmful pathogens. The gut microbiome and the skin microbiome are closely linked and are supporting one another in a very positive way. They're best friends.
Oh, best friend, we killing them.
So let's embrace the microbiome revolution and our scientific skincare as we delve deep into fascinating world of the skin microbiome. The future of skincare is poised to be more advanced, personalized, transformative than ever before. Let's embrace this revolution, shift and unlock the power of a balanced and thriving ecosystem. So, some ingredients to note: prebiotic, we've got our chicory root, oat, green banana. Those foods are beneficial bacteria in the skin microbiome, helping them thrive and maintain a healthy balance. Probiotics, live probiotic strains like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium can be directly applied to the skin to repopulate the microbiome and strengthen the skin's natural defense system. Postbiotics. Postbiotics compounds such as short-chain fatty acids and antimicrobial peptides support the skin barrier and have anti-inflammatory properties to soothe irritated skin. Antioxidants, hand in glove, hand in hand, supporting each other. Antioxidant-rich ingredients like vitamin C and E and green tea extract can protect the microbiome from environmental stressor and oxidative damage. So for years, I have been telling somebody that to drink rooibos tea, which is red bush tea. It's only grown in South Africa because of the certain soil we have. In Japan, they use it. It's unbelievable for eczema. Throw a tea bag in your bath. Okay, so we have been talking about some of these great herbs and antidotes that we have, but we haven't really known why. And so we're starting to learn the why. And that to me is so ever fascinating. So the microbiome is a very delicate world and it's easily disrupted, right? From over-exfoliation, over-manipulation, too many AHA, BHAs, too many retinases and retinols and retinol palmitates, right? And we can also have an overgrowth of harmful bacteria or lack of beneficial microbes that can trigger inflammation, dryness, acne, eczema, and other skin problems. Disruption to the skin microbiome is often caused by factors like harsh cleansers, antibiotics, pollution, stress, and poor diet. So restoring a healthy, balanced microbiome is crucial. There's something about us over-cleansing, over-cleaning, over-sanitizing. My daughter went to a scientific fair and they said to not put your dishes in the dishwasher, to hand wash your dishes because you should have some germs left on that plate. Now, I'm using the dishwasher. I am. But I'm just saying maybe we can start thinking about our lifestyle and what changes we can make to support our microbiome, our gut microbiome, and our skin microbiome, right? So that we can restore a healthy, balanced microbiome to achieve vibrant, healthy, beautiful skin. So the diet is a huge influence. The foods we consume have a profound and multifaceted influence on the delicate balance of the skin's microbiome and the gut too. A diverse, nutrient-rich diet is essential for nourishing the beneficial bacteria that reside on the skin surface for maintaining a healthy, resilient skin ecosystem. Processed foods, right, is a no-no. Sugary snacks, unhealthy fats, they will disrupt the microbial balance, leading to an overgrowth of harmful bacteria and inflammation. So you want to incorporate more plant-based, whole foods into our daily routine, and we can actively nourish and support the skin's diverse microbiome. Plant-based foods strengthen the skin's natural defenses and promotes a healthy barrier function and helps to prevent a wide range of skin concerns from acne to eczema. Think of the monkeys and the baboons, right, and the gorillas. Look how strong a gorilla is. Have you seen the muscles on those gorillas? Do you know they're vegan? So I think that whole thought of, not being able to build muscle, I go by, because I really enjoy protein. I eat organic protein. I somehow I listen to my body, I want it, but I don't eat it every day, right? And I make sure I buy organic. And so it's kind of like that book, Eat for Your Blood Type, believe it or not. So I'm an O positive. So it's kind of like what I think about, like thousands of years ago. What did we do? We'd go and we'd kill an animal. We would eat it, because we didn't have great storage facilities unless you were in like Iceland and Greenland, where they will freeze. And then between hunts and kills, you would eat nuts and berries and fruits, right? So it wasn't this, whoever came up with this food plate, or is it now the food pyramid? I've lost track. I'm not sure that's how we should be eating, but it's interesting. Like my food needs, wants, desires is very different to my daughter's, who's an A blood type. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I don't know if there's anything to it, but I'm just trying to give you to be more thoughtful in your eating, okay? And turn that packet around and make sure that what you're eating is non-GMO, right? The health of the gut microbiome is intrinsically linked to the well-being of the skin. Optimal gut function supports a diverse and balanced skin microbiome, promoting a stronger skin barrier and resilient, radiant complexion. Imbalances in the gut can trigger inflammatory responses that manifest as various skin concerns from acne to eczema. But nourishing the gut with prebiotic fibers, probiotic rich foods, and postbiotics can nurture the skin's ecosystem and achieve glowing, healthier complexion. I could talk about this for days, and I think what we're going to do as we go on this journey is get some real experts, get some real MDs, PhDs, gurus in food health, right, to really talk us through it, because I really think we've only skimmed the surface. I am believing that having those pre and postbiotics, and if you can get it, probiotics in some of your skincare, is really going to help support your microbiome, especially if you have acne skin. So I hope we've done some great work together, you and I. I hope we've all learned something, and there's going to be more to come. We haven't even scratched the surface, right? I know you've been in the Elaine. I know you're excited to be back in the Elaine, because remember, you can listen to me on Spotify, Apple, I believe, YouTube, not sure where else, but we'll let you know next time, because this is Esthetician Unlocked. See you next time.